here a little after video to our lead patch, because after the lesson I was playing around with this function here to figure out why it didn't work. Actually it wasn't a bug, but I found out now why this weird behavior happened. So if we take our function again and route it to the tag, and you remember we just wanted to have it go down, so let's say by -12. So if I just do this now, it will always start at -12, right? So I wanted to apply the randomizer for us to pick random values in this range. So on the sidechain button, I picked the randomizer 1 as source to affect this. And then you remember we had something like this. And if I play now, look at the position of this orange starting point. This 2 times now started above our threshold. Now below, now way up. And this was what was confusing, because I've set this up. And you can see it's just -12, 0.12, and it only covers this range. So I was wondering, why is it going up? And I figured out. So 50, why ever they decided to do so, 0.50 is your whole range. If you go above that, it means that it will duplicate your range in the positive direction, in this case upwards. So if I would make this like 75, it would probably add a range of 0.6 upwards. So, and if I bring this up to 100, it will duplicate this range up. And if I bring this down to 50, it will again just cover the range that we have set up. But if I bring this below 50, it will duplicate into the negative direction, so this time downwards. So if I play now, pay attention to the starting position, you see it started at the bottom, way down there. It's out of a range, but this setting here is duplicating it. So if you want to stay in your range, you just gotta pick 50, positive or negative. As far as I found out so far, it doesn't make a difference. If you're -50 or +50, doesn't matter. It only matters if you go above that, so that the synth starts to create a duplicate into that direction beyond your threshold. But so you get the idea. This is how it worked and how we can make this function work on our attack knob. And by the way, I did watch a part of the episode, of the last episode, where I was wondering why there is an LFO on my resonance, and I completely forgot that I explained this 2 seconds before to you, and forgot to turn it off. That was pretty fun. But yeah, so I hope you understand now the thing with the functions and the randomizer, and we will see us then actually in the next lesson.